Wales wind energy transition, a path of greenery future. Wales, traditionally reliant on fossil fuels, has been making significant strides towards a greenery future with ambitious goal to achieve net zero ambitions by 2050. A major milestone on this path is target to generate 70% of its electricity consumption from renewable sources by 2030. Despite domestic political changes such as resignations of First Minister Wagon's gatherings will remain steadfast in its commitment to environmental sustainability. Advancement in wind energy, recent development reflect Wales' increasing focus on wind energy. On February 28, former First Minister Mark Drakeford met with European wind industry leader in Brussels, reinforcing Wales' dedications to expanding its wind energy capacity. The country currently produces 1.2 gigawatt of onshore wind and 730 megawatt of offshore winds, with plan to develop an additional 4.5 gigawatt of floating wind energy in Celtic Sea by 2035. The ultimate goal is for renewable supply 100% of Wales electricity by that year. Wales officially have consistently prized wind energy potentially at Global Offshore Wind Conference in June. Cabinet Secretary Jeremy Miles emphasized Wales' leadership in offshore wind production and its ongoing efforts to attract high-value investment in manufacturing, infrastructure, and skill development. However, the future of wind energy technology presents challenges. The increasing size of wind turbines, particularly in the US, where they are expected to grow by 60% by 2025, highlighting the need of careful planning. Larger turbines may reduce the number of units that can be installed in a given area, but they are expected to boost total energy outcome. Rishabh Mishra, a research scholar of France National Centre for Scientific Research, also noted that the growth of wind energy, especially offshore, demand substantial R&D investment to overcome hurdles like cost, feasibility study, and infrastructure need. Transporting electricity from the remote wind farms to urban centers and integrating wind energy into a national grid pose additionally challenges that require innovative solutions and significant investment to energy storage and grid management. The broader impact of wind energy project. Wind energy success in Wales goes beyond turbine installation. The integration of wind power into a national grid, development of energy storage infrastructure, and addressing environmental impact are critical to the sustainable growth of this sector. Notably, projects like the TOE USK Green Initiative and Mid Wales highlighting the potential environmental trade-off as the installation of wind turbine and pylons could lead to loss of pristine green space, raising concern about balancing local and global environmental priorities.